Want to tap and write effortlessly with your iPhone or Apple Watch? Adding your Presto card to Apple Wallet makes communicating smoother than ever with Express mode. There is no need to unlock your device or open any apps. Just hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the reader and you're good to go. Even if your iPhone battery runs low, Power Reserve keeps your Presto card active for up to 5 hours so you'll never be stranded. Reloading is easy. You can add funds instantly through Apple Wallet or the Presto app anytime, anywhere. And when it comes to security, Apple's built in privacy features help keep your data safe. Lose your device, just use the Find My app to lock to erase your Presto card remotely. So there are three ways to add Presto to Apple Wallet. Option 1, convert your physical Presto card using the Presto app. Once converted, your physical card will no longer work. Option 2, buy a new digital Presto card through the Presto app. This way you can still use your physical card. Option 3, get a new card directly from Apple Wallet. Just open the wallet app, tap the plus sign, select transit card and choose Presto. You can tap to pay on Go Transit, TTC, Brampton Transit, York Region Transit, and more. So why wait? Add your Presto card to Apple Wallet today and enjoy a faster, easier way to write. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.